4.3%.
That explains the nose. I knew it. The time has come. We have to find out how Portuguese we really are.
We have lived here for 5 years now, and we have traveled every inch of this country almost.
Certainly. I think that our DNA has changed over the last 5 years and that we will have a lot of Portuguese blood in our body.
We are going to do a DNA test with MyHeritage, which is our partner in this video, and we couldn't be more excited to actually find out where are we from, Amalie.
Not only does it tell you where your ancestors are from, it also connects you with people that you are related to in today's world.
So basically, you could do a test and find out that you have a cousin right over there.
Yes, that is possible.
Really?
Yes.
Do you want to do a DNA test too? Find out if you're a clean poodle. So how does it work?
It's so easy, this one, because you just get it in the mail like this, and when you open it, you find all the instructions and the actual test kit.
If I had to put money in the middle, I would put myself to be probably 59% Portuguese.
By soul, I would say that I'm 100%.
So part of the activation, I have to write my mother's name, my mother's father, well, my grandparents. My grandmother, she died last year and she was 99. She was only a couple of months from 100 years. My grandfather, he was 88 when he died. He died in 2003.
Hallo?
Hej mor. Kan du huske, hvornår bedstefar han er født?
Jeg vil se engang.
Kan du ikke engang huske det? Så det er 1915, han døde i 2003. Hvad med Oma?
Oma? Ja, det var i hvert fald det var ret sent.
Eller var det 8? Your father's mother, Amalie.
I never met her. I don't know who she is. I have no idea.
Okay, you can't fill that out
No.
then. Okay, it's activated, Amalie. Now we have to do the swabs.
Are you ready?
Left side. Hey, 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 hey.
Do, 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 do.
Open one vial and insert the swab.
Twist it. Ah, and then it breaks. Easy peasy.
What? Close
Side.
the gap tightly. Tightly.
Tight, tight, tight.
Close it tight, tight, tight.
And then we seal the deal.
Whoop.
And then inside the envelope.
One small swab for humanity. A giant swab for...
Can I just say that you can actually convert to a certain nationality just by answering questions. So, maybe we should have a Q&A
To find out like a little...
how much we know about Portugal.
Yeah.
Because if
Would we qualify for the citizenship here? So, Amalie.
It's time. Are you ready? I'm super excited.
4 to 6 weeks we will get the results.
And we shall know how Portuguese we actually are. Welcome to Mexico. We finally got our results.
But before we see them, we have to do the 7 questions for each other, how Portuguese we really are.
Why is Funchal named Funchal?
Because it was the function of the
Shell.
connection to Brazil with the boats.
No.
Why is July 10th a public holiday in Portugal? So easy. 3,
It
2,
must be something.
1.
Is it the day of the sardinias?
So far we're not very Portuguese.
God damn it, what is
Day
it?
of Portugal.
What is the name of the Portuguese president?
President
Yeah.
Antonio Costa. I swear to God I know this. Just say the letter.
M.
Marcel.
Ooh, we're so close.
Marcelo.
Yes?
Marcelo Mortadelo.
Marcelo Rebelo da Sousa.
What is the national dish of Portugal?
It is bacalhau. Of course.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, I googled it before we even started this and it said
It's
bacalhau.
cocido a portuguesa. Maybe you are Portuguese.
What are the people from Porto called?
Portinguista.
It starts with tri.
Tri?
Tripedos.
I've never heard that word. What are the ingredients in francesinha?
All the ingredients.
Yes.
You're gonna need 2 pieces of bread, flank steak, ham and cheese. And then in the sauce, you're gonna need onion, tomato, port wine, garlic, and an egg on top, of course.
I'm definitely not Portuguese.
What do the Portuguese people eat for Christmas?
They eat a lot. Leitão, bacalhau.
Well, they do eat bacalhau, but that's not it.
I think it's a heat. It's 33. What are you saying? Octopus.
Yes!
How many ways are there to cook codfish in Portugal?
363 ways. 360?
How many days are there in a year?
Er der ikke 360? 63?
You don't know how many days there are there?
No? Oh my god, that's
Are you
embarrassing.
kidding me?
No, I'm actually serious. I thought there
You
were...
can't even get citizenship
I thought there were
on this planet.
363 days in
How
a year.
many days in a year?
363?
Amelia,
Is it 64?
we're getting closer.
Oh yeah, 365.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This one you know. Who's the first king of Portugal?
I have the same question for you. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Dom
Afonso.
Luis Henriques the first.
Afonso Henrique the
Dom
first.
Luis Henrique Alfonso the first.
Alfonso Henrique the first, Jon. What is the birthplace of Portugal, Jon?
Guimarães.
Yay, you did it! Which one you did?
What year was Portugal founded?
1143. Motherfucker. What city is known to be Cidade Invicta?
It's Porto.
Yes, it is.
Yes, I know.
You knew. Good on ya.
Why is Madeira called Madeira?
Because when they found Madeira, it was covered in these endemic trees, laurel silver trees, so they called it Madeira. Can you sing the Portuguese national anthem?
Is that the question? Because no. Last question. What is the name of the famous soup of Portugal?
Caldo verde?
Where do we think we're from?
I think I know that I'm mostly Danish, and then Egyptian and Greek.
I think I'm generally Danish. You know?
I think you're Jewish because you have a huge nose.
Let's go. 40%
Scandinavian.
More than I imagined. 24% North African.
That is Egypt. Middle Eastern. Okay, so that rounds up to 40% almost.
Greek.
Oh, Greek, of course.
Greek
yeah.
and South.
Wow, my parents haven't been cheating. What is that down there in Africa?
Nigeria.
I'm Nigerian?
Amelia, you're 2.8%.
Nigeria. We have to go to Nigeria now to meet my family. Why don't I 10 better?
Are you the one who's been sending those emails? Okay, let's look at DNA matches. Kirsten Wiberg, you have 2.1 shared DNA, but Amelia, somebody sent you an email. Merede Dirac, 60 years old, said, "Hi Amelia, it seems that we are grand cousins.
How fun.
With my mother, Bente Rode, Ingelise's cousin.
That's my grandmother.
We've looked at your side of family and there are a few things we are not sure about. Maybe you can help."
That's so fun. I want to see your results before we continue, Jon.
Yeah.
Are you afraid of seeing it yourself since you're asking me?
I just like, just you see it and then it's so strange to actually finding out where am I from?
Ready to explore your ethnicity?
Well, can you say it right?
Ethnicity. What? Oh my god.
Do I dare look? Oh, let's go. 75% Scandinavian, 18% English. I am a scholar and a gentleman. What? 4.3% Ashkenazi Jewish.
That explains the nose. I knew it.
I am
knew it.
And 2.3% Italian.
Italy. That explains the temper.
What?
How come that a Jewish person found a Middle Eastern person? High five.
Wow. I knew I was pretty Scandinavian. I am from the Faroe Islands. 18% English. That's interesting. But Ashkenaz, I mean, 4.3, it's still like a decent amount.
Congratulations, my Jewish friends.
2.3 Italian. That's why I love spaghetti and pizza so much. I need to talk with my parents.
This is a very good Christmas gift. We're
No,
definitely gonna...
I want my parents to do this
I
test
want my
now.
parents to do it too.
I have a lot more DNA match of a higher percentage than you, Amelia.
Yeah?
There's a girl, 20-year-old girl. She might be a cousin. Johannes Kjølbo, I know him. Everybody should do this. Like, imagine if the whole world did this test. So, Amalie.
No Portuguese blood in my veins, unfortunately, but I am very excited to get to know some new family members because turns out there are some family I don't know about.
But guys, if you want to find out if you're really Portuguese at all, maybe you're already from Portugal and you're not even Portuguese, who knows? It's a possibility. Maybe you're Jewish like me, maybe you're 100% Italian. You will have to buy the test to find out. We've linked it down below.
And guys, as an added bonus, you can get 30 days free trial on MyHeritage best subscription for family history research.
And if you decide to continue, you'll get 50% off.
Do you think you have any siblings watching this video that you didn't know about?
Maybe.
You never know.
Subscribe to find out.